Automotive Edition has sold over 700 Audi RS3s over the past 8 years. Each and every one of them have been no less of a superb factory specification with great service and maintenance records. We only cherry pick the best examples, and this RS3 right here is one of the highlighting cars that we have ever sold, and we are proud to say we have it back for sale. Over £24,500 of modifications have been invested into this car. It's a DDG Stage 3 car, which means it now produces 610 brake horsepower and 670 Nm of torque on just 99 run pump fuel, which means it lines its performance with the likes of a 992 Porsche Turbo S, which retail about £200,000, so this is essentially bargain performance. Let's just quickly summarise what stage tuning means. Stage 1 is just a flash of the engine. Stage 2 is a flash of the engine with a supporting downpipe, whether that's D-cat or sports cat. And stage 3 is a flash of the engine with a supporting downpipe and a turbo upgrade. This RS3 boasts a TTE-700 hybrid turbo, and that's supported by a large array of modifications from some of the biggest brands in the VAG tuning industry. Is 610 brake horsepower reliable in an RS3 like this? Yes, providing it is supported by the correct modifications and has the correct service and maintenance records. We have sold many RS3s with this power, and we can confirm that we can sell this with complete confidence to you. This car's got the form to go with the function, and we know of a business that know a few things about making these Audi RS3s look cool, and they go by the name of Automotive Passion. And this RS3 was their very own development vehicle, and they created their full exterior styling kit for the RS3 on this car, which still features it now. Quite noticeably, it's sitting on a set of OZ Racing Ultra Leggera HRT wheels. It's loaded on KW's height adjustable spring kit, and it's also equipped with H&R's rear anti-roll bar, which improves the RS3's handling ability drastically. Moving inside, the first thing you notice is the custom Alcantara and carbon fibre steering wheel. But not only that, the heater vents have been swapped out for the fully gloss black vents that you find in an Audi Q3, which add a lovely OEM Plus touch to the interior. This RS3 is also equipped with the Audi Sport Pack, which features a magnetic ride control. It's also got the carbon fibre interior inlays, the comfort and sound package, the super sport seats, the extended leather package, plus a whole lot more. We will be putting this Audi RS3 through our extensive detailing preparation process, so the condition of it meets our high exacting standards. So if you want to find out more information about this car, please head over to our website or give us a quick call.